Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset a service indicator light on this Peugeot 2008. This applies to a lot of Peugeots across the range, so have a look and this could apply to your vehicle too. So if we come around the driver's side of the vehicle and we are looking at the dash, what you want to look for is this little spanner with the 3 zeros there. So what we're going to do is we are going to press and hold this, and then we're going to switch on the ignition. So if I press and hold it, switch on the ignition, then you'll see this countdown start to happen on the dash. So it counts down from 10 all the way to 0, and then it's all done. So there you have it guys, that's just a quick video on how to reset your service indicator on most Peugeots. And some Citroens are the same. If it's got the spanner light with the 3 zeros, you can press and hold, switch on the ignition, let it count down, and then your service light will be reset. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.